Welcome to the CryptoNest. So just to have an update here, this is A, this is the B up to now still for the moment, and this could have been, it's possible still, 5 wave down for the wave 1 in orange, ABC for the wave 2 in orange. So next week, in the next 2 weeks, we should see a price really escalating to the downside rapidly, impulsively. If it does, then we'll confirm some level. Well, clearly, if we go below 57,960, that this is going to be actually confirmed third wave, orange. Now there is also the other option that this B wave wasn't finished. So this was the B wave was here. This is a 1. We have 5 wave down, A, B, C, wave 2. Now the problem we have is like the third wave is too high, and so if we manage to do a 4th and a 5th, unless it does really a minimal 5th wave, doesn't make or barely make a higher high, local higher high, then this 1-2 setting is still viable. If you go higher, it's not that I'm turning bullish suddenly. I'm just resetting here the B wave, extending this correction, and that last leg for the C wave, it's not even started. And so if I go on the 15 minutes now, I'll try to do some micro counting. Let me pop up this one. So yesterday I did an update on Discord, and we were doing an A, a B, and I was looking for the C 1-to-1 ratio. Well, I mean, that's crazy, but we really went bend onto that. Now we are at the resistance level. We reached the first one for the B wave. So once again, let me take the pen so it's clearer. This was an A, a B, and a C, but this could be just the A. I mean, it almost reached the minimum, but it would be better structurally if we have an ABC for the B in red. So I'm looking for a higher price today. $78,000 perhaps would be very, very good. And after that, another movement to the downside. Ideally 72,600 would be perfect. So for the moment, nothing else to see. Yes, B wave can also make a high B wave, so we will see. Also, if you reach 80,060, that's going to be another strong resistance, and I'm going to monitor that level as well. So for the moment, I'm looking for this B wave area resistance. If price is reacting, ideally we do that in 3 waves. So I'm looking for another local high for this leg up, and after that reversal, and yeah, price make a 180 degree change in direction and go lower. Once again, ideally 72,560. We did something similar in the previous cycle. I think I talked about it on my Discord update. Let me check here. And that would be not very good, because anyway, we cannot always relate on previous what Bitcoin did last time. Anyway, so now we are now we are breaking out from below the MA 200. We did skyrocket, and we did a retest in the previous cycle. So now, and actually, just to emphasize here, when we break out from the MA, we went up 30% almost from the MA 200, and then after we visit back the MA and use it as a support, and we never came back. So now we're kind of doing something similar, as you can see. Let me go on the 4 hours, maybe it's easier. So you can see that we did break out, right? So can we go higher? That's the question. So I'm going to take a measure here. Let's go say for 25%. As you can see, it does coincide with the 1.236 fib extension, 86,316. So it could be that, yeah, Bitcoin, it goes up and after that a rebound back, use the MA200 as a support, and after that we go high. If we do something similar of the previous market, it means that the lower low was here. And once again, Fibonacci and technical analysis is not a perfect science, but honestly I still am looking for a lower low, so we shall see. So I gave you all the levels now, I think. So if we go higher than 82,814, we're invalidating this 1-2 setting. If we don't, then we should probably start working into this coming week to the third wave. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Maybe the RSI, you can see RSI is now, it was way overbought. Not a crazy idea to say that, you know, there must be a correction incoming. Every time we were at that levels, let me check here. And that's on the daily, okay? So we were high, we had a bounce back. Oh yeah, that was the previous. Okay, so here, but for sure now, you know, we need to put in context the technical analysis as well. So here we did reach the third wave, we were way over bought, and we had a correction. Here we were once again a third wave, we were about to expect a correction, and it did happen eventually. Here we never went that crazy overbought, and here we are. Now here, what are the odds? We're counting an A, a possible a B, or a 1-2. So now the RSI is very overbought. We are looking for a third wave potentially, so it has a lot of room to go down. Make perfect sense to me. Okay, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.